Hey guys, this is the Punjabi Chef Prateek and I'm back with a melt in your mouth tikka recipe. This tikka recipe will remind you of a smooth creamy texture of kulfi. And the chicken pieces are laced with cheesy spread and are cooked to perfection. So join me in creating Kulfi Chicken Tikka. This Kulfi Chicken Tikka has two stages of marination. In the first stage of marination, I'll take cubes of chicken. In that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, salt, and lime juice. Massage the chicken nicely in the marination and let it rest for at least 15 minutes. As the chicken is resting, we'll start off with the second stage of the marination. In that, first I'm going to add hunkered, cashew nut paste, fresh cream, green chili, green cardamom powder, white pepper powder, garam masala, chopped coriander, kasuri methi, salt. Let's add this processed cheese now. And now we'll start mixing. Once the second stage of marination is ready, it's time to add the chicken into the marination. Now let's mix the marination with the chicken. Now that we have finished with our chicken marination, I'm going to let it rest for a few minutes. By that time, I'm going to heat up a coal. The coal will give a nice smoky aroma to the chicken tikka. As the coal is heated up, I'll keep a bowl in the center. Take the coal and place in it. I'm going to pour in some butter and close it immediately with the lid. It's been a couple of minutes. It's time to remove the plate. Now we'll start putting the chicken on the skewer. Now that we are done putting chicken on the skewer, it's time to start grilling. First, I'm going to take a pan, switch on the gas, add oil. Once the oil starts heating up, it's time to place the skewer on the pan and cook till chicken is 90% cooked. Make sure you keep turning the chicken on regular interval so that the chicken is evenly cooked on all the sides. While the chicken is getting grilled, let's prepare our cheese spread. In a jar, add mozzarella cheese. With that, I'm going to add some hot water and blend it to make a nice cheesy spread. And the cheesy spread is ready, as you can see. But also keep an eye on the chicken so that it doesn't dry out, and keep basting it in between so that the chicken remains moist and juicy. Once done, remove the chicken pieces from the skewer and place it in a plate. Place the tikka pieces on the baking tray and apply the cheesy spread on top of it. And bake it for 2 to 3 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Once you see the color on the cheese spread, remove it from the oven. Now our Kulfi Chicken Tikka is ready. It's time for garnish. First, I'll garnish it with threads of saffron. And finally, chopped pistachio. And our Kulfi Chicken Tikka is now ready. So guys, I hope you enjoyed me making this unique Kulfi Chicken Tikka recipe. Do try making this at home and share it with your family. But before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Get Curried.